Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust parking brake on Volvo XC90 step by step. Start by parking on level ground and applying wheel chocks for safety while you work. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal and lift the rear of the car using a jack and secure it on jack stands. Remove the rear wheels and fold up the rear seat to access the adjustment area clearly. With the car safely supported, fold the rear seats and remove the interior access panel to expose the parking brake cables. Inspect the cables visually, wiping away dirt and checking for frays or corrosion that might require replacement. If cables look good, identify the adjuster nut or star wheel at the cable junction, and ensure the emergency brake lever inside the car has normal travel before making fine adjustments. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and prevent messy spills when you drive, perfect for taking lunches to the shop or road trips. I pick that up and use it all the time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Turn the adjuster nut or star wheel clockwise in small increments while checking rear wheel drag by spinning the wheel when the car is lifted. Aim for light resistance without locking the wheel, then test the handbrake lever travel and pedal feel inside the car for proper engagement. Finally, lower the car, road test the parking brake on a gentle slope, and re-inspect fasteners to confirm a safe, reliable adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.